In this video, I'm showing you how I use site operator searches to find keyword issues on websites and the three main ways you can use these to find SEO issues with your website. Let me show you how. So the first here is looking at this document I've put together. What you're looking for essentially would be keyword cannibalization primarily, or under optimization. Now you may also find just the optimization of what your site is currently showing. And as an example here, if we look at keyword cannibalization, this is an example of what keyword cannibalization might look like if you're using a site operator search for your website. Now, the way this works is you go to Google, you type in site : your full domain, and then space plus space. And then in quotes, you use the keyword or phrase you want to check and see if you have over optimization or keyword cannibalization. And in this case, metal fabrication services. Now, this is actually the name of the company, so it's very likely for this to be on every single page on their website. But if this was not the name of this company, this is what keyword cannibalization or potentially over optimization would look like. And you can see here, every single page has the phrase, the exact phrase, metal fabrication services. So this would be something to generally avoid. But again, because this is their company name, it is something that is likely going to be on every single page. Now, next thing to look at then would be under optimization, or having zero mentions of that keyword or phrase on your site. So if we look at this example here, site : hickeymetal.com, and then space plus space, metal fabrication services, your search did not match any documents. So this means one of two things. Either this page itself is not indexed, or this domain is not indexed, or there are zero exact mentions of this keyword or phrase on this site. So either way, something is going on. If you want to rank for this keyword or phrase, you need to look at and see how to make sure you have that phrase. And especially for competitive keywords and phrases, it's going to be difficult to rank if you do not have that exact keyword or phrase on your site. And then another opportunity to look at here would be wrong page ranking potentially, or what else needs to be done to make sure you're focusing on the best pages for you. And this example here, Rapid Direct, you can see stainless steel fabrication. There is just one page shown here, and then a few images that are shown. So in this case, this is probably the primary page they want to rank for this phrase here. And you can see they have stainless steel fabrication listed on this page. And it's the only page on their website that has that exact key phrase mentioned within the content. So last tips for you would be doing this check for your primary keywords or phrases you want to rank for first, to see and make sure your site is not, there's no major issues on your site. Secondly, compare results against your actual Google rankings to see how that actually looks and if your keywords and phrases are showing up how you want them to. And then document and understand which page should rank for each keyword, so you have an idea as to how it should be optimized. Hopefully you got some value from this video. If you did, subscribe to my channel. I'd greatly appreciate that. And that's it. I'll see you on the next one.